Hi, welcome to Electrical Energy 10.7, direct and alternating current. Short and sweet, hopefully. Okay, the voltage that's given by a battery is very different from that which you get at home. Okay, a battery provides what's called a direct current, and it provides what's called a steady voltage. The positive terminal is always positive and the negative terminal is always negative. And when it's connected into part of a circuit, the current always flows in the same direction, from positive to negative. And so if we looked at voltage with time, the voltage is constant, okay, and the current would be constant and then diminish as the battery ran out of its juice. Now that's a direct current, so there's no variation, current always flows in the one direction. What you get out of power points is a alternating current, and that means that the current flows backwards and forwards 50 times a second. So the electrons are actually going backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards 50 times a second. They're not moving very far, but because they're getting shunted backwards and forwards, they can actually do work with all the electrical appliances that you have. And so to go backwards and forwards, it means the supply voltage must also change direction, go positive one way and then negative the other way, backwards and forwards. And this would be a graph. Now this is from an English book, and if you know anything about England, their voltage is at 230 volts, whereas Australia we have 240 volts. That's why when you travel overseas and you want to take your electric toothbrush or your hair dryer or whatever, your phone charger most likely, you have to take an adapter so that you can hook into all these different countries' different power supplies, because somewhere like America I think is using 110 volts or something. It's just decisions that they made ages ago and we just have to live with them now. But so ours is 240 volts, and the voltage actually varies, and that's a 50th of a second, so it does a complete cycle, goes one way and then the other way, and so 50 times a second it changes direction, and that's what an alternating current is. So in the next video we'll look at electrical safety in the home.